In today's video, we are going to show you how to make an Edpuzzle video public so you can easily share it with students, colleagues, or anyone with a link. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account. Hover to the left side area of the dashboard panel, click the My Content. Here, all I have to do is super simple. Click the video that you want to share, because this will open the video details. Right now, as you can see on the top corner, it is set to private, okay? And if you want to change the privacy settings into public, click the public button, okay? Because this will allow others to view and access the video. You see there is a share preview right here if you want. You can copy the link or embed the preview of this video in a site. It's up to you. The three dots also gives you the ability to duplicate and move to a folder. Once you're happy, click the Save Changes. And basically that's it for today's video on how to make your Edpuzzle video public and ready to share. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.